Another series of very popular is related to our business culture as well. Nie dziel skóry na niedźwiedziu, which means don't divide the skin when the bear is alive. Also, don't praise a day before the sunset comes. In practice, it means that we always need to get things done till the very end. The cash on the bank account is the sign that the business has been made. Not the plans, not the agreement, not the handshake, even not the word. The most important is the final result. That's why we are waiting for it to come. And what is planned is not that important as what is really achieved. One of the most famous Polish businessmen, who is actually a priest, asked what are his plans for the future. He replies wisely, "I will never talk about my plans. I will show you the effects." And this is something that frequently happens in Poland. We don't talk about plans, we used to show effects more. Because of the historical reasons, we are not used to planning far more in advance. We had a period of invasion and we used to survive only in those short time frames. That's why our national culture would be rather short-term oriented. Of course, we have long-term plans in terms of business strategy at a national level, and many enterprises will plan and have some strategy, but they would rather think about it as a point of reference, not really a very strict plan of action. To summarize, I would say that Polish people are rather not risky. They will be very, very careful. But on the other side, when given an opportunity and good conditions to work, they will perform extraordinarily because they are very brave. Another proverb is similar to what English people say: "It never rains when it pours," which means biednemu zawsze wiatr w oczy. How to put it into the business culture? You might meet in Poland two generations of entrepreneurs. The older generation, who was doing business in 80s and 90s, were seeing a lot of violence. During the change and the transition period, we had the mafia, we had monsters, a lot of gangsters that were, simply speaking, stealing from the business, from the people. There were also many turmoil in political area. In this sense, sometimes when you go to the negotiations, you might see a guy who is 60 plus, who will be wearing jeans and sweat t-shirt, and who will be more affluent than a young person with a good car and representative watch. Mainly because the young generation is not afraid of anyone, is more open-minded, and the older one are very, very precautious, especially in terms of wealth. In this case, the lesson is simple. Don't try to judge the people of how they look. It would be more smart to listen what they say and try to understand their experiences. Because some of the people will brag about how big their business is, what they have achieved. They will have a great car, and they will be really behaving as if they had unlimited resources. On the other side of the coin are the people who will be very modest, but those used to be a truly self-made man. I remember a story when I was in Norway and I met Olaf Thon. For those who don't know, he's the richest man in Norway and one of the richest men on our planet. I was in my house when he just passed by, and he looked like a homeless. He was very modest, very humble, and very kind man. And that is the way you will meet a lot of businessmen of the older generation in Poland. If you have any questions about doing business in Poland, please feel free to ask them in the comments. And if you need an accountant, we'll be very happy to help you.